is the final fish dish. You can add cashew if you want, but that is again too high cholesterol. And you can add peanut. I'm allergic to peanut, so that's why I didn't add. You can add sesame seed if you want. I just kept it plain. You can add any other sauce like teriyaki sauce or your what do you call black bean sauce. But again, that is they add lots and lots of starch. So you keep it low to the any type of starch because of your diet. This is my food. I'm going to enjoy it. You also make and enjoy. Tell me how it is. Now we will measure our fish. I need 150 grams. Let's add fish. I'm taking here boneless piece. Let's measure 119. Oh snap, this is the big one. Let's take out, add small. You know what, I'll just cut the extra portion here. Let me grab my scissor. Okay, 2 grams extra, it's fine, I can manage. Okay, let me wash my hand. This is okay. To that add little bit of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Never use out of bottle, it's not good. Okay, now little bit of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan or table salt, you can use. Let's marinate and keep aside. Okay. Okay. Okay, you need to marinate this one at least for 10 minutes. Now I will see you after 10 minutes. I'm going to add little bit oil. I usually take means very less amount of oil. You take according to your macros. Okay, I'm going to take that much only oil. Look, it doesn't, diet has to be specific about fat, protein, carb, vegetables. It doesn't mean that we need to deep fry or eat boil things. Okay, like I look how much less oil I have taken, and I can assure you this is going to be one tasty meal. Okay, now we are going to add our ginger and garlic. Just saute a little until it's aromatic. Okay, you don't need to burn it, really, you don't need to burn it. On a high flame, you saute it until its fish is very well cooked. I mean, I don't like undercooked fish honestly, so I'm going to cook it very nicely, not like crispy, but well sauteed. I'm not going to add any extra salt as our sauce has extra salt in it. You need to watch out for your salt intake if you have high blood pressure. In low blood pressure, it's fine. It doesn't mean that you are going to take a lot of salt, because salt can make your bone weak. Yes, it will make your bone very weak. Now that fish is fried, now I'm going to add little bit water to my sauce. Okay, just pour in it. Okay, now you need to lower your flame. If you want, you can add little bit more water, because I need little bit saucy. Okay, I need to add little bit of water. I'm going to cover it for 2 minutes. Okay, let it simmer. Okay, now let's check our fish. Almost done. It doesn't, marination takes time, preparation takes time, but it doesn't take time to cook. Okay, now let it simmer a bit. Then I'm going to add little bit of chili sauce. It's optional. You can add. If you don't want, don't add, because I'm Indian. I eat little bit spicy. I mean it little bit. Okay, that mild one is hot for me. Now flame on high. You can see this fish is so fresh, but it's breaking up because I have taken boneless fish. You can take with bone if you want. I don't want. That's okay with me. Okay. At this point, I'm going to add carrots. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of carrots. I'm going to eat as my salad side dish. Okay. Now switch it off. Cover. Done. Okay. I haven't cooked carrot much because I like my carrot very crunchy. Okay.